Hey guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to change this fog light on most Toyota car. For this particular car, it's a 2012 Toyota Venza. So to get to it, there's two plastic screws right here that you need to take it off. Before you do that, you need to turn the wheel inside. So begin by line this plastic screw vertically and using your flat head, gently pry the screw towards you and just pull it out. Now we're going to do the same thing to the bottom one. Line it up and pry and just pull it out. Next, you want to take this clip off or push it in so that you can get this plastic piece out of the way. Now all you gotta do is take this clip off and pull this dust cover, and it should expose your fog light there. So now there's one filler head screw that you need to unscrew in order for you to take the fog light out. And unplug this. Just take this out. Now you just want to make sure that both of them are the same. Now to put it back in, all you gotta do is line this two up, or actually make this two go inside. Go inside the slot right here. Now screw back your one filler head screw. Now plug back in your harness connector. Next, you want to attach this plastic piece to the dust cover. Then clip onto the bumper. Make sure the dust cover goes in. Do the same thing to the bottom one and make sure that this clips onto the bumper and that the dust cover goes in. Next, put your plastic screw in, and when it's in, make sure that you turn to horizontal so that way it will lock it in. Do the same thing with the bottom one. Plastic screw in. And turn horizontal. Then you're all set. Now as you can see, I changed the passenger side but not the driver side fog light. You can tell the passenger side is a lot brighter compared to the old fog lights on the driver side. And here is with both fog lights changed. It does make a huge difference, especially if you drive in the rain or foggy night. There you have it, guys. Consider like and subscribe if this video helps you.